kayo lang po sa coach, paano nyo naman kung hindi yung composure siguro yung emotions nyo na siguro parang hindi ka mag-convey ng feelings of concern or panic habang nasa football stage?
I ask them kung ano yung problema. Kasi kahit ako hindi ko alam kung ano yung problema. So every time they step on the court, kailangan sila mag-usap and then how to solve kung ano yung problema. And then yung sa amin naman sa labas naman, kailangan lang namin magagawa lang namin is to push them and motivate them. Tapos ibang game class. But the rest of them, kung ano yung gusto nilang mangyari, sila yan eh. Kung gusto nilang kung ano nangyayari, kung gusto nilang mag-drama, sila din ang magbabago ng pace nila. So for me, nandun lang yung guidance. And then, syempre hindi ka rin magkakaroon ng, hindi ka pwede malose hope sa kanila. Kailangan ka lang i-push.
And for training by 3 spots here sa Final Four na pag-qualify na yung game. So, yung confidence nyo ngayon nasa siguro entering the final games na yung parang kasi yung spot sa Final Four and possibly twice na. Are your confidence entering the final 3 games?
First of all, I'm very confident talaga. I'm very confident with myself and also with my teammates. So this is last year. So now we should also focus about it, not to give up with time, but we need to be there and then stay focused about this is good. This is how we need to achieve it. So we are ready talaga, happy ako, enjoy talaga the definition this second set.
Sa akin naman kaya sinabi ni Faida, talagang hindi pa namin mastasan yung standard and syempre yung trabaho namin kung paano namin siya kung paano kami mas kumita dun sa team. So, trabaho